Hey guys, I want to come to you just showing you my latest delivery of detailing products that I got today. It's always an exciting day. First, I will show you my favorite fabric cleaner that I got. It's from Chemical Guys Fabric Cleaner. I use this in an 8-to-1 diluted solution spray bottle along with my drill and my scrubber. Does an excellent job on interiors and carpets and any type of upholstery. Great stuff. With the winter season coming up, I'm getting ready for, unfortunately, my own personal car. I got the whole black light car soap made for black vehicles and dark colored vehicles. This soap I run through my foam cannon, and also I run in my bucket while I'm washing my truck or any of my customers' black cars. Now that we're coming into winter, I'm also going to hit it with the black light sealant, which is going to seal my paint and get it ready for my wax. And I'm also going to try the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. It's going to leave a nice shine, hopefully last throughout the winter. Excited to try this product. And I'm also excited I got my new applicators. Fresh, clean, ready to go.
And
That's
we are going to list all those products below this video in case you want to see what they are again.
We'll see you.